parts of the song, but there was so much controversy about how much the other guys in the band contributed to the songwriting that I figured that would be a good place to start. What about Native American, or so they say. Anyway, so we're at the Juno Awards one year. I don't think we were playing. We might have gone up and played one song, but so he was there, and I found myself walking out to the side exit in the middle of the show, or an intermission or something, and right next to him or behind him or in front of him. So we get into this sort of area between the door to the theater and the door to the outside, and I say to him, "Hey man, what is the first line of the lyrics of Chest Fever?" You know, because it could be so many different things. And so he goes, "Oh man, I don't remember." And I'm like, "Oh, okay." And so I always thought that was jive, but then I was thinking of it the day before yesterday, and I was thinking, well, maybe he wanted that to stay a mystery, you know, something that everyone could hear their own way. So, sorry, I judged you wrong, Robbie. And then Clear Mountain was mixing that record, his solo record, and I was in LA, so I was on the phone with Bob, and I was like, and Bob was like, "Hey man, you want to come by the studio, you know, and meet Robbie and watch us work?" And I was like, "Yeah." And so I guess he asked Robbie, and Robbie said no, so I never got to do that. But, you know, same kind of thing happened with Bobby Nathan and Steve Winwood at Unique. So I guess when people are working, you know, they don't necessarily want a fan to come in the middle of the studio and start talking. Anyway, I'm learning so much in my old age, and it's a great way to do a little humble brag, you know, and just put myself in the same sentence with these like guys that were just practically angelic, or are, I guess, in Steve Winwood's case. Anyway, and that one song you may not recognize was from his second solo album. I think it's called Storyville, and he wrote it with the guy from Blue Nile who also sings on it, called Breaking the Rules of the Game. Just such a good song. It's got like a Native American beat. It's like boom, boom, boom. And I think I read, or else Bob told me, I think I read that when he was recording the guitar solo on that, he had this tiny little amp, you know. And where's the camera? He had this little amp, and they put a mic real close to it, and that's how he got that sound. A really small amp. Okay, one more Robbie Robertson song. Could be any of so many great ones. Any Scarlet Woodpecker. She's no, oh, I was trying to think of my interpretation of what the first lines of Chest Fever are. I guess you could look it up, but that's just, who knows if that's what they are. Ain't no cheese and cracker. Any Scarlet Wood Tracker. Any Scarlet Woodpecker. I don't know. Robbie Robertson, the man, the mystery.